Hey, it's Verlinda Sweeting. Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to talk to you about a 100% free course called My Online Startup. So this is a course that teaches you how to build a sustainable online business, okay? You're going to have access to all of this education for free. And when you click on the link below, you'll be able to register and create your free account, all right? Now, before I get started, you need to know who the founder is so you can understand what you need to do before you create a free account, all right? So the creator of My Online Startup is Chuck Newen. Chuck Newen is also the creator of Earn Easy Commissions. You may have heard of it. Perhaps you joined and you're a member of Earn Easy Commissions. If you are a member of Earn Easy Commissions and you're not up to date with what's going on, Earn Easy Commissions is closing down, okay? And Chuck has his reasons of why he closed it down. We all saw it coming. And so Chuck just took a break for a few months to regroup and figure out what he needs to do to show people what it takes to build something sustainable online. And Earn Easy Commissions just wasn't going the way he wanted to go. And it was really nice in the beginning because a lot of his members have earned some decent amount of income with Earn Easy Commissions. And regardless of that, a lot of members are very excited about this new program. It's actually really great because he's giving away value. It's something that it's a course that you can give away for free, and people love free, right? And you can get paid for doing that. So here we have some members that are excited about the new course that Chuck is creating, and the launch date is July 1st. Okay, so if you're watching this video, it's July 1st or after July 1st, you can go ahead and get started. Right now, you can create your free account. Okay, so here are some members who are just waiting for July 1st to come. I'm all in. My time is now. Man, I'm stoked to actually promote and give away so much value. This does boost my confidence in the entire system, okay? As this is not just ripping off people, but they're benefiting from it too. So yeah, you have a course that you don't have to dig into your pockets to find out if something's going to work or not. You don't have to pay for a course. He can easily give this course away and have someone pay thousands of dollars for what value he's sharing inside of this course, okay? But he's not. He's giving the value away for free, and what that does is it builds trust, and then eventually people buy, all right? Value to build trust, and then people will like you, they'll trust you, and then they'll buy from you, okay? So with this course, when you sign up for free, create your free account, you're going to have access to all of the education for free when you create your account. Now, if you're a member of Earn Easy Commissions, then you do not want to create a free account. Don't create a new account. All right. You'll mess everything up, especially if you already referred a lot of members. I referred close to like 1,000 members with Earn Easy Commissions. So I didn't need to create a new account. All of our members from Earn Easy Commissions are going to be rolled over to My Online Startup, okay? So they're going to automatically be rolled over. So if you referred a number of people to under you in Earn Easy Commissions, and you decide that you want to create a free account, you're going to lose those other members. So don't mess it up, okay? Make sure if you're already a member of Earn Easy Commissions, just log in, use your Earn Easy Commissions username and password to log in, okay? If you need help with that, you have to contact support. Okay, so what you're going to do, if you're brand new, you've never joined Earn Easy Commissions, and you're looking for ways to make money online, you're learning about affiliate marketing, how can you build a business online? This is a video this is what you want to look at. So click on the link. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And you're going to click on it, and you're going to enter your best email address, okay? And when you do that, you're going to come to a page like this, okay? You're going to click this button. You're going to listen to Chuck. He's going to explain what you get in this course. You can also scroll down, and you're going to see what you get. Step 1, you're going to learn how to become an entrepreneur, how to crush affiliate marketing, the power of lead generation, building your own online brand, scaling with paid advertising, passive income with sample emails, and then down here you have frequent asked questions. So what exactly is My Online Startup? Well, you have it here. It's a 100% free course that teaches complete beginners from all walks of life of how to build their own sustainable online business. Okay. How does it work? Once you created your account, okay, you'll have to confirm your account, and then you'll get access to the free course on how to build a sustainable business online as an affiliate marketer. You'll go through all the steps in the course, all right, from being a complete beginner to building your own business. So you're going to take your time to learn the course carefully. You're going to take notes. You're not going to allow yourself to get distracted, and ask questions in the group so that we can help you out, or you can ask me, okay? You can just go through this page yourself and check it out. But what you're going to do really is create your free account. All right. So again, if you're already a member of Earn Easy Commissions, do not create your free account. Just log in. So you're going to create your account. If you're brand new, you're going to need to use a Gmail only. All right. Only a Gmail. Why? It's because when you read the instructions down here, it explained that you need to confirm your account. All right. So that's why you need Gmail, so you can come in and confirm your account. So you're going to look for My Online Startup. You're going to see your login details with your password and all of that. You're going to want to save it, write it on a notepad, write it on a sticky pad, and put it next to your computer so that you can have your login details. Do not delete this, because if there's a chance that you don't find it, you can type it right here in the search bar and just type in My Online Startup, click search, and then your information should pop right up. Okay. So you're going to have a link where you can open it up and confirm your account. So you want to click on that link so you can confirm it. You have to confirm your account before you can access and log in. Okay. So once you do all that, you're going to take your username and your password that you created. Okay. The same one that you created right here. You're going to take that and use it to log in. All right. So let's take a look. Okay. So once you get here, here is the course. This is the free course that you get. All right. So this is the first video that you're going to come to. Building an online business, and then right here is the game plan. This is what you want to watch here. All right. The game plan is what you're going to be learning. This is your course outline. All right. So again, you have access to all of this education for free. All right. So I highly recommend you to click on the link in the description, or click on the link below to check out this free course. Okay. It's a free course. If you like what you see, you want to think about checking out the affiliate program. So when you click on it, you'll watch this video. Then you're going to click step 2, and you'll see that he has videos about mindset. These are all brand new videos that he put together, and they're really good. I'm actually right here. I just finished step 3, so I'll be going into step 4, the lead generation portion of it. And once you get through the video, you have a chance to get paid to share our free course. You'll watch this video so you can learn how you can get paid to share the course. Basically, give it away for free is what you're doing. You're recommending this course to your lists, to your friends, whoever it is. You're advertising online. And if you don't know anything about advertising, how to get people to join you, Chuck is going to teach you all of that right here in the affiliate steps. So if you want to make money online, first of all, what he's doing here is he's teaching you how to go out there and find a product to sell on your own, right? He's teaching you how to do that. But if you think that's too much, why don't you just get paid to share My Online Startup? Why don't you just become an affiliate for that? So you can either click here, okay, to check out the affiliate program, and Chuck will explain how you can get paid to share this free course. All right. He's going to explain all the different ways that you can do that. And you're just going to go through the steps and follow him on how you can get people to join you in My Online Startup. So this right here will be your affiliate link. this link is going to be coded to you, and whatever username that you chose, the username you chose right here is coded to you. That way you get the credit when someone joins under you. And if any of the people that join under you, they enjoy the course, they really like it, they see that they're coming in, they're getting all this value, they like what they see, they're going to upgrade. Okay, they're going to buy some things inside of the course. Okay, the thing is with this, to earn commissions, you're going to need to make sure that you have ClickBank. All right, you can join ClickBank for free so you can earn commissions through that. You want to make sure that you have everything you need. You're also going to need tools if you decide to get serious with this. All right, you need to invest in yourself, invest in your business, and there's tools that you have to have if you're willing to do this for the long term. Okay, and be successful. So GetResponse is one of the tools that you're going to need. I'll put all my information below that you need, but it's all inside of My Online Startup. So just choose a plan. If you don't have GetResponse, get that. Choose the $15 plan. Don't do the 30-day free trial. Just get the plan right here. And then you can get ClickMagick. All right. You can either do the monthly plan, which is $17 a month, or you can do the yearly plan. It's up to you. Okay. And once you get everything situated and set up together, you'll be able to advertise your page so that you can get as many people as you can to enter their email address and learn about this free course. All right. You want to get as many people as you can to fill out this form so that they can see this page. And when they see this page, they like the video, they're going to create a free account. All right. So I don't want to keep you too long, but I do want to recommend that you check out this course. It's absolutely free. You don't need to pull your wallet out or anything. It's a free course. Join it and become a member, learn everything, get educated, get all this value, and why not become an affiliate and get paid for it while you're at it. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. My name is Verlinda Sweeting, and this is my review on My Online Startup. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you.